Welcome to Rannkly, where managing your online presence is made easy. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up notifications on your Rannkly account. To get started, click on the notification icon located in the top right corner of your Rannkly dashboard. A drop-down window will appear. Now, click on the settings icon to access your notification settings. You'll be redirected to the notification settings page. Here, you'll find various options. Let's begin with the first one, General Notifications. Click on Platform Access Expired. Stay informed about expiration. You'll see two settings. For the first option, choose Email from the drop-down and enter the email address where you want to receive these notifications. Clicks on Low Communication Channel Credits. Be notified and take action. Now for the second option, Low Communication Channel Credits. Be notified and take action. Click on the drop-down and select WhatsApp as your notification channel. Fill in your WhatsApp number in the input box. Great! Your general notifications are now set up. Let's move to the second option. Receive notifications upon submission of a feedback form. Again, choose Email from the drop-down and enter the email address where you want to receive these notifications. Well done! Your feedback form submission notifications are now set up. Moving on to the third option, receive notifications upon ticket assignment. As before, choose Email from the drop-down and enter the email address where you want to receive these notifications. Excellent! Your ticket assignment notifications are set. Now, the fourth option, receive notifications for failed social media post publishing. Select Email from the drop-down and enter the email address where you want to receive these notifications. Similarly, for successful social media post publishing, choose Email from the drop-down and enter the respective email address. Perfect! Your social media notifications are configured. Let's proceed to the fifth option. Receive daily notifications for the total count of positive and negative reviews. Again, select Email from the drop-down and enter the email address where you'd like to receive these notifications. Fantastic! Your review notifications are now set. Lastly, to confirm your settings, click on the Save button located in the top right corner. Great job, you've successfully configured all your notifications. You're all set. Thank you for choosing Rannkly for your online presence management. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore our help center or reach out to our support team.